Now students, we will do the question number 10 of exercise 19A. So question number 10 is Shruti made this table to show how the number of pages of his month's books had increased from class 1st to class 5th. Draw a line graph to show his data. The point for class 1st has been marked for you. Mark the other point and join. So the table are given here, students. You will read this table. Class 1st pages 150, class 2nd pages 160, class 3rd pages 180, class 4th 200 pages, and class 5th 240 pages. So in this question, you will make the bar graph, you will make the line graph like this. So horizontal scale 1 centimeter equals to 1 year, which you can see that horizontal scale 1 centimeter equals to 1 year. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Here class. Now vertical scale 1 centimeter equals to 20 pages. So this gap is 20 pages. Each square has 20 pages. 20 1. So we will write 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240. So these are the pages. Now we will see the table. Class 1st 150. So class 1st has done class 1st 150. So already has point on 150. Now class 2nd 160. So class 2nd here 160. So we will write point on 160 here. Now class 3rd 180. So class 3rd here 180. So we will write on 180 point. Now class 4th 200. So where is class 4th? Here. Class 4th 200. So 200 is where? Here. So class 4th we will mark on this place on 200. Now class 5th 240. So class 5th 240. So here 240 we will mark on this point. Now we will join all the point to different pages. All the point we will join by scale, and that will be the line graph. Thank you. Like this way, students, we have joined the all points by scale to show the line graph. Thank you. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is this chart shows the increase in the weight of a baby from birth till the age of 1 year. Here we can see that the weight of a baby till his birth, from his birth and till his age of 1st year. Draw a line graph to show the data. So we will make the line graph to show the data. One point has been marked for you. Mark the other point and join them. So here the table is given. Age in month 0, weight in kg 2.5. So when we baby will 2 years in months 2 months, so the weight will be 4 kg. When baby will 4 month, so the weight will be 5 kg. Then baby 6 month, the weight will be 6 kg. 8 6.5 kg. 10 months 7.5 kg, and 12 months 8 kg. Now here the bar graph graph copy has given. So vertical scale we will make this table, and horizontal scale we will write age months. So horizontal scale 1 centimeter equals to 2 months. So we will write here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now vertical scale 1 centimeter equals to 1 kg. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now first has been done 0, 2.5. When baby will 2 months, so the weight will be 4 kg. 2 months, so weight will be 4 kg. So we will write here point on 4. When baby will 4 months, so the weight will be 5 kg. 4 months, so 5 kg. We will write here point here. Now when will baby 4 months हो गया. When baby will 6th months, so the weight will be 6 kg. 6 months 6 kg. Now next, when baby will 8 month, so the weight will be 6.5. So 6.5 half of square 6.5. Now baby will 10 months, so weight will be 7.5. 10 months 7.5. Here we will write point 7.5. When baby will 12 months, so weight will be 8 kg. 8 kg here. Now we will join all the points to show the line graph. Like this, students, we have joined all the mark. So this exercise has been done, exercise 19A, and the chapter also, chapter 19 data handling, is completed. So you will do this exercise 19A, all the question of this exercise in your notebook, and understand them and practice them. Thank you.